So, day one in Yarmouth. Had an amazing ferry ride yesterday. 100 kilometers. That equates to 60 basically. All right. Gotta pay attention to that shit. Going up north on 103 from Yarmouth. There was supposed to be some kind of big, like, tuna fish off or something. Bluefin tuna or something. But I think I'm, like, late for that. But I could not get up early. I was so tired. I mean, I didn't get up. I got up at, like, 7:30. Never been up here. Finally got to come up here, so excited about being up here. Stopped at Tim Hortons, grabbed a glazed cinnamon donut or a frosted cinnamon roll. Got an iced chocolate mocha. Ready to roll. It's 10:57. The ferry got in really late last night. I didn't get to my hotel room until, shit, I want to say about 10:30 because it was running an hour and a half late, the ferry. Spend a day here in Yarmouth in this area and then head up to Halifax tomorrow. Yesterday I put my Canadian navigation card in. It's good to be on the road again, man, finally. Lighthouse route, 2 kilometers. Maybe I'll go check that out. Nova Scotia. I saw an older gentleman back there at Walmart. He was telling me that Nova Scotia is now like a place for seniors. I said, so I should come here when I retire. He's like, yeah, if you want to. Just gonna follow this around, see where it takes us. Just doing some scenic riding today, folks. Got my tunes on. Wiped my bike off this morning. Didn't really drive much yesterday. Literally about a mile, maybe 2 miles. It's a nice view. Bet they got a corner store or something going on right there. A restaurant, maybe. I don't know. I know I'm gonna eat me some lobster while I'm up here. Like, no joke. This is Carl's Grocery. Canada's oldest courthouse. Artisanal market. Looks like they're setting up maybe for the weekend or next weekend. Today's Saturday, so it's gotta be like right next weekend. Well, that's pretty. It's so nice to finally be on the road again. Well, we're getting close to Rocco Point. Bet there's moose up in here. I saw some moose crossing signs yesterday. That's pretty. Damn truck wasn't in front of me. Yeah, that's pretty. So that goes out into the bay. Nice scenic little area. Rocco Point. Le Club Acadien. This is pretty. We got it. Feels very remote. That's beautiful. There it goes. Caution, sanding only exit. Not sure what sanding means. Wonder if it ever floods up in here. Oyster Farm. I think now that I'm thinking about it, I may just do a big loop today, do a scenic route. Just do some sightseeing, because tomorrow I may not get a chance to. Tomorrow I'm probably going to go to Halifax early. Shit. Probably won't do me any good because I can't check into my hotel till the afternoon. Mother hubbard. We'll see. Let me mull this over. Gotta get back on 103 up here. Another thing that old man told me was that the roads are pretty bad in some places. He was like, be careful, because sometimes the road's pretty bad. Which I appreciated him telling me. Thinking, man, Vermont had the worst roads that I've seen. The very worst. So I'm looking for 103 again. There it is. Let's see. This way. I think I just took off in 4th gear. Argyle River. That's beautiful. It's like there used to be an old bridge there. It's not there anymore. Some nice fresh air. Halifax, 270 clicks. Doing about 110 clicks. About 68 miles an hour, 70. Sorry folks, I'm not familiar with these roads, so I'm not trying to be all crazy like. It's a pretty nice little area down in here. Taking a scenic route on Route 3. I don't know how far it goes, but it's right along the water to my left. Dennis Point Wharf, 5 clicks. This is nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Should probably put some sunscreen on. My hands got burnt the first day. This is nice down in here, I ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna lie, yo. Oh, we got some more wind turbines. Some older houses. It's beautiful riding weather. 77 degrees right now. Nice and breezy. Have to come back through this way, so Just trying to see how far I can go down there. I think it runs into the end because I'm running to coming up to the end of the piece of land here, a little strip. It's a pretty chill little place, man. Some old ass houses. Some newer ones too, but some of them look like they never even have people living in them. They probably do. I don't see any real estate for sale signs. Big old wind turbines. My nose itches. My nose itches, bitches. Shit, I forgot to get some stamps. Went to Walmart. Picked up a smaller SD card. Fuck. Yeah, gravel here, really? I ain't doing gravel. Fuck that, y'all. Problem is I don't know what's at the end of this joint. Yeah, we ain't doing that if I don't have to. Thanks. Probably the best part of the ride is down there too. I should use my reverse here because this is kind of dusty, daddy. I ain't trying to do all the gravelness. Fuck that. See some lobster traps. We in the country, y'all, and BFE. Alright, now we can go back a little faster. I've been there, done that now. Been there, done that. How are you? Yeah, it is. It's nice out. I'm from Maryland, Washington, D.C. area.
Oh, yeah?
Baltimore.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah. Come down all by yourself?
Yeah, came up about a 12-day trip.
Got a nice bike there.
Thank you. Yeah, it does the job. It's perfect for touring.
Yeah.
It's comfortable.
Nice one.
It's got all the bells and whistles.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a nice day today for riding around.
Are you from here?
Yeah, I live here. Yeah.
You live here? Am I allowed to drive out on that thing?
You about to drive down there anywhere you want to go, yeah.
Okay.
There's nobody gonna say anything here.